I just want to have a heart-to-heart with you guys, a real chat with you, right? I know we all do these like thank you videos and you hit a milestone in YouTube, and I've done those before, and again, I truly thank you guys for that. But this is a little bit of a different situation, which of course I would have never gotten to this spot to be able to do something like this without you guys. So of course, number one, you guys, thank you. This is all you guys, not me, not the company or anything. It's all thanks to you guys, of course. But again, you all know if you've been around my channel for a while since day one, and again, hear me out for this chat. I know a lot of times you guys are like, blah, 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 whatever, stop yapping. This guy can talk forever, skip to what you want to get to. So again, please hear me out here. But again, from day one on this channel, you all know I have been, and still am to this day, so nothing's changing, of course, but consumer first, you guys first, right? I don't work for any company, right? It's always what I would want to see, that raw, real feedback of that product, that user's experience, not crazy back-of-the-box specs or tech specs that I'm never gonna see. I wanna know about the product on how it is, raw and real, whether it be good, bad, or ugly, whatever it may be, right? So my point here is, as you can see, a collaboration I have with a company. I've always told you guys, and I've always stood by it, I never want to collab with a company. I don't want my name on a company's product, whatever it may be, because then in the long run, right, no matter which way you look at it, you're working for that company now, kind of is what I look at it, right? Like a product reviewer should not have their name on a product. That could be for like streamers or pro gamers, totally fine, but a product reviewer, right, we're reviewing these products. Our name shouldn't be on it, whether it be a headset, a mouse, anything, an accessory, a keyboard, something like that. You know, that was always been my outlook right there. And I still strongly believe in that, I really do. But as you see in this video with my collaboration here with, well, Wicked Cushions, as I'm about to show you, I've been praising Wicked Cushions since day one, like way back, even when the channel was a lot smaller, you know what I mean? And then when the channel spiked up, and now when the channel's kind of flatlined right down here, you know what I mean? So it's just a product I've always believed in and truly stood behind. But I feel like I've done my due diligence, if we say, buying a house right now. So, you know, we hear that a lot, you know? But again, doing that research back there from the product, using it across multiple headsets, multiple headphones, talking with the owner and the background and all that stuff. And just, I mean, he's a cool dude. The company's ran right. He stands behind his product and stuff. And it's all in all, from the great product to the great owner to the great company. Again, I just stand by it fully. And it is something I would truly be happy to have my name on. You all know I rave about them. You all love them. You know what I mean? So again, it's just totally fits hand in hand. So again, that is why I went with this collaboration here. I think it's just a perfect fit. And again, wouldn't even be able to get to this point right now of making a video like this without you guys. So at the end of the day, thank you all so much. So as you've seen in the thumbnail, and as I've already mentioned, this is my collaboration with Wicked Cushions, and you've probably seen these in a couple of my videos if you've been watching them. That is my personal design with Wicked Cushions. What you're seeing right here are the Arctis Nova Pros, but you can get these for other headsets as I'm about to show you as well. But looking at the Nova Pros, you can see you can get the entire setup here as far as your ear pads, the replacement covers on the cups out there, and then your headband. And you see, they just snap right on. You got the design right up there. I think it's just a perfect fit, as you got like the tech in the background and then the gears, hence being Techne. You got the replacement covers over here, again, with that design. And then as far as the ear pads, now let's go and pop one of these off. I think a lot of you are pretty familiar on how to replace these now. You can just peel them off and they clip right in there. And take a look, even on the inside here, you have that little tech and then the gears, of course, black and red. Like, it's just a perfect fit, right? And when you get that full combination over here on the Nova Pros, it just looks absolutely gorgeous. So you may not even need a new headset, right? You just kind of upgrade what you have. But let's say you're over here with, say, the Nova 7s or something, and you can see I have the Wicked Cushions already. I got the little replacement covers over here. This is their camo, but you can take these, bam, slap them right on there as well. Now, as far as the ear pads, these are going to be a little bit different on the Nova 7s, as they kind of have that traditional like wrap around right there where it tucks into the groove. When on the Pros, they have that specific bracket right there, which they clip right into. But again, say you get the universal pads over here, you can tuck them in around that little bit, and there you go. Now you can see we have our Nova 7 set up with the Techne pads as well. And I think this is so gorgeous. Like, I might just leave this like this. Like, I love this with the black and red over here, and then on the outside, and then the white. Now, of course, the headband as well, you can just snap that off, because this is the stock one right here. You can take this, and you're just gonna press it in to those little nubs on the outside. Bam, simple as that. So all this is super easy. Again, it just snaps on and off, same with the outside, and then the ear pads, whichever ones you get, super easy. But take a look at this combination right here. Like, I can get down with this. Like, whew, I love this. I might need to get the Nova Pros in white so I can have that combination going on right there. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. So even though I can sit here and talk about these pads for probably an hour, I don't think I need to, as I've covered them many times before, and they're the exact same Wicked Cushions Freeze pads that we all have come to love. The only thing difference is the design, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. Maybe that's just me. Let me know down in the comments if you went ahead and scooped some up. I highly appreciate it. I truly do. This is all, again, thanks to you guys for supporting the channel. And again, this is no money grab or something like this. This is truly something that I stand behind. And my track record on the channel, heck, you can go see for yourself. I've been praising these for years and years, and I still daily them, recommend them, and absolutely love them. So again, if you pick up a set of these, again, I truly appreciate your support, and thank you so much, again, for the continued support on the channel. This is emotional for me. I don't know how to end it, right? Anyways, thank you all so much. I just appreciate it. Let me close this video out. It's getting awkward.